So let's start with the exercise 6E. Exercise 6E. There is no different formula or anything for this exercise. So there are total 18 sums in this exercise. Okay, we'll go slowly, understand each and every sum. Okay. Just confirm with me, in the new textbook also there are 18 sums in 6E, right? Total 18 sums. And in 6F, there are 10 sums, right? Okay. Let's read the first question. The question says the ratio of two numbers is 2 upon 3. So we don't know the two numbers. So my first step will be let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. The question is the ratio of two numbers is 2 upon 3. The ratio means you divide. So the ratio of two numbers is 2 upon 3. Okay. The ratio of two numbers is 2 upon 3. So x upon y is 2 upon 3. I will cross multiply this. So I'll get 3x equals 2y. So 3x minus 2y equals 0. This will be my first equation. Using the statements given in the question, I will form equations. So using the first statement, I formed the first equation. Now let us read the second statement. It says, if 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second. See, this is my first number and this is my second number. मैंने दोनों numbers को क्या assume किया है, x and y. So this is my first number, this is my second number. Okay, so they are saying if 2 is subtracted from the first. So 2 is subtracted from the first means x minus 2. Okay, and 8 is subtracted from the second means y minus 8. Okay, फर्स्ट नंबर में से मैंने 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, ठीक है, एंड सेकेंड नंबर में से मैंने 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. द रेशियो बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द ओरिजिनल रेशियो. द रेशियो बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द ओरिजिनल रेशियो. ओरिजिनल रेशियो क्या था? ओरिजिनल रेशियो वाज 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? What will be the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? It will be 3 upon 2. So the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Now again cross multiply. Open the brackets. Are you getting the same equation? Now solve the linear equations simultaneously. So कौन से वेरिएबल को मैं सेम करूँ? फर्स्ट कोई कर देता हूँ 3 and 2. So I'll make it LCM is 6. Multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. The first equation when multiplied by 2 will become 6x minus 4y equals 0. Second equation when multiplied by 3 will become 6x minus 9y equals minus 60. Now I will need to subtract the equations. Subtract the equations. So minus signs will change. This will become plus and this will also become plus. Okay. So 9 minus 4y plus 9y is 5y equals 60. So y equals 12. This is the value of y. Now put y in the equation 1. Correct, Yani, Kes, Prayuj. Correct answer. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. So final statement likho. Therefore, the given numbers are 8 and 12. Okay, I hope all of you have copied. Question number 2. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:7. So again, the first statement will be the same. Let the two numbers be x and y. Okay, the ratio of the numbers is 4/7. X upon y is 4/7. Okay, this is the ratio of the two numbers. Cross multiply, you will get the first equation. First equation ready. Now they are saying if thrice the larger be added to twice the smaller. Tell me here which number is larger and which is smaller. हमने दो numbers को x और y लिया था, ठीक है? Now which is larger and which is smaller? Can anyone tell me which one is the larger number? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड, जो आपके नंबर्स है ना वो 7x और 4y नहीं है। 7x 4y आपके नंबर्स नहीं, आपके नंबर्स है x और y। ओके, आपके नंबर्स है x एंड y। तो आप लोग मुझे 7x और 4y के टर्म्स में आंसर मत दो, जस्ट टेल मी x बड़ा है या y बड़ा है। ठीक है, yes, most of you have given correct answers, but Prayuj, Isha, your answer is wrong. No, Rishabh, C। कुछ लोग मुझे आंसर दे रहे हैं x। x is not bigger। आप इस रेशियो को देखो यहाँ पे, सी दिस रेशियो केयरफुली। जो न्यूमरेटर का नंबर है और जो डिनोमिनेटर का नंबर है, यू कैन इजीली सी दैट y के सामने 7 है और x के सामने 4 है, which means that y is the greater number। ठीक है, सी 4/7 जो रेशियो है वो आता कैसे है? रेशियो कैसे आता है? कैंसिलेशन करने के बाद। जैसे मैं समझो नंबर दूं आपको 24/38, ठीक है, इफ यू कैंसिल इट विथ 2, लेट्स से, तो आपको मिलेगा 12/19। लेट्स से दिस इज द रेशियो ऑफ x/y। तो 12/19 आया, मतलब 19 बड़ा है। 19 बड़ा है मींस y इज द ग्रेटर वैल्यू। ओके, इसी तरह से इन द सेम वे हियर x इज द लार्जर नंबर। सो यहाँ पे आपने स्टेटमेंट लिखा है, जस्ट इसके आगे ऐसे लिखो, y इज ग्रेटर देन x। एड दिस इन योर सोल्यूशन। नाउ दे आर सेइंग if thrice the larger मतलब 3y be added to twice the smaller, ठीक है, thrice the larger be added to twice the smaller, the sum is 59। okay, so you understand, thrice the larger be added to twice the smaller। okay, just shift this 2x plus 3y equals 59। this is my second equation। now which variable can I make same? You can make x also, you can make y also, it's up to you। okay, I will choose to make y as same। I'll choose y, you can do any whichever you like। okay, so if I choose y, 4 और 3 का LCM होगा 12, so I will multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 4। okay, so the new equations will be 21x minus 12y equals 0। The second equation is getting multiplied with 4, so 8x plus 12y equals 36, isn't it? Now add the equations। मेरे लिए add होगा because my signs are different here। 12, the signs are different, so this will get cancelled। 21 plus 8 is 29x, 0 plus 236 is 236, so x will be 236 upon 29। so let's try, this is 29 into 8, Yeah, I think the answer is coming in decimal. No? Let me check. It shouldn't happen actually. Answer should be not be in decimals. Mm, generally, it is not in decimals. But yes, I have checked the answer in behind the textbook also. The answer is in mixed fraction only. So that means this question, the answer is in decimals. Okay, so 236 upon 29, divide and make mixed fraction. 29 into 8 is 232. So 4 will be the remainder. This will be my answer for x. अब ये जो आंसर है x का, we will put in equation 1. So I think in fact y also you will get it in decimals only. Y also I'm getting it in decimals as 413 upon 29. So if you divide it, so 29 ones are 29. 29 fours are 116. So 7 will remain. So your answer is 7 upon 29 and 14 will come here. So this is my value for y. This is the final answer I am getting. And for x, I got the value as this. So write the statement in the end. Therefore, the two numbers are 8 4 upon 29 and 14 7 upon 29. Copy it fast. Done, all of you? Done? Question number 3. When the greater of the two numbers means there are two numbers here. So I will write, let the numbers be x and y. Okay, and let's choose it which number we want to keep it greater. We can keep x greater or we can keep y greater. Okay, so I simply keep x as greater than y. ठीक है, तो मतलब मेरे हिसाब से जो दो नंबर्स है उसमें से x जो है वो बड़ा है और y जो है वो छोटा नंबर होगा. Okay, now they are saying when the greater of the two number increased by 1, greater of the two number is x, increased by 1, divides the sum of the numbers. Divides the sum of the numbers. See, जैसे समझो अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि 5 divides 25. 5 divides 25 का मतलब क्या है? 25 upon 5. ओके, वैसे ही उन्होंने कहा है कि the greater of the two numbers, that is x, is increased by 1. Okay, and it divides the sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers मतलब दोनों numbers को ऐड करेंगे x plus y. Okay, so ये sum of the numbers है and this is the greater number is increased by 1. इसने इसको डिवाइड किया, ठीक है, मतलब उसको हमने डिनोमिनेटर में लिख दिया, ठीक है. And what is the answer they are saying? The result is 3 upon 2. The result is 3 upon 2. Now cross multiply. This will be my first equation. First equation. If any doubts, you can raise your hand, okay? Second equation says the difference of these numbers is divided by the smaller. The difference of these numbers मतलब x minus y, ठीक है? This is divided by the smaller number. Now, which is the smaller number? Y is the smaller number. The difference of these numbers is divided by the smaller. The result is 1 upon 2. Okay. Here it is minus x. Sorry, not 2x. 2x minus 3x is minus x. So ये मुझे second relation मिला. I will cross multiply this. This will be my second equation. Now I'll take LCM of x. एक जगह 2x है और एक जगह x है. So simply I can multiply this equation by 2. और इसको किसी से नहीं मतलब 1. So when you multiply the first equation by 2, you will get minus 2x plus 4y equals 6. And when you write the second equation as it is, the signs are different, you can see. Signs अलग है. So I'm adding the equations. 4y minus 3y is y. 6 minus 0 is 6. So I got y as 6. Now put y equals 6 in equation 1. Write the final statement also. Therefore, two numbers are 9 and 6. Question number 4. The sum of two positive numbers, x and y, is 50. So let's write first. Let the numbers be x and y. Sum of the two positive numbers is 30. Matlab x plus y is, 50. Sum of the two numbers is 50. Means x plus y is 50. First equation. Difference of their squares is 720. उनके स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस, तो x का स्क्वायर क्या होगा x स्क्वायर, y का स्क्वायर क्या होगा y स्क्वायर. The difference of their squares is 720. Now see, I cannot solve them simultaneously क्योंकि एक स्क्वायर में है और एक नहीं है. So which formula can you use here? X square minus y square. Yes, anyone? Which formula can we use here? X square minus y square. Correct, yeah. So it is x plus y, x minus y equals 720. ठीक है. अब x plus y की वैल्यू मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है यहाँ पे. What is the value of x plus y? 50. So यहाँ पे x plus y की जगह पे I will write 50. So x minus y is 720 upon 50. 72 upon 5. So I think this answer will come in decimal. I am getting it as 14.4. So this will be the second equation. अब दोनों equation मिल गए. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So simply add the equations because देखो automatically y cancel हो जाएगा. X plus y equals 50. y will get cancelled here. We will add, so 2x equals, sorry, this is 14.4. ठीक है, उसको पॉइंट को मत भूलना. This is 14.4. So 50 minus 14 करता हूँ पहले. That will give me, sorry, I'm adding them na. We are adding them, so this will be 64.4. So x is 64.4 upon 2, that is 32.2. What is the value of y? You are getting y. So write the final answer also. That therefore the two numbers are 32.2 and 17.8. Question number 5 is also same sum. Sum of two numbers is 8, means x plus y is 8, and the difference of their squares is 32, means x square minus y square is 32. तो ये भी सेम होगा, x plus y, x minus y equals 32. So x plus y is 8. So I got the two equations. बहुत ही simple सम है ये, एकदम ही simple equations. Just add them. Put x equals 6 in equation 1. Janam, your x value is wrong. Darsh, correct. Now it's correct. These are my answers. Done, all of you? Next. Now this one is a little different. I mean, you will have to recollect the formula you had done in expansions. उस formula की याद आएगी अभी यहाँ पे. So the question says the difference between two positive numbers x and y is 4. So they have said that x is greater than y and difference between the numbers is 4. मतलब x minus y is 4. Okay. And difference between their reciprocals is 4/21. मतलब numbers का difference 4 है और उनके reciprocal का difference is 4/21. Okay. See, मुझे एक बात बताओ. That x is greater than y. In the question it is said that x is the larger number. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे मैं एक example के साथ आपको बताता हूँ. Observe carefully. This is something new you will learn here. See, 3 is greater than 2. Okay. लेकिन अगर मैं 3 और 2 को रेसिप्रोकल कर दूं, if I reciprocal 3 and 2, तो क्या बनेगा 1/3 and 1/2. Now which number is greater? Is 1/3 greater or 1/2 greater? कौन सा बड़ा है? 1/3 बड़ा है या 1/2 बड़ा है? करेक्ट यानी? अदर्स यस आंसर. अगर आप वैल्यू कैलकुलेटर पे करके देखोगे, कैलकुलेटर पे करके देखो 1/3 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है और 1/2 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है, करके देखो एंड देन अगेन आंसर में. सो अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 1/3 का आंसर मिलेगा 0.33 एंड 1/2 का आंसर मिलेगा 0.5. मीन्स 1/2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/3. तो आपने ये क्या ऑब्जर्व किया दैट जब नंबर को रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हैं, ठीक है, तो जो बड़ा नंबर है वो अब छोटा बन जाता है और जो छोटा था वो बड़ा बन जाता है. करेक्ट. यही हमने सीखा अभी. 3 was greater than 2. Okay, but when you reciprocal it, 1/2 becomes greater than 1/3. So same goes for x and y also. X is greater than y. Okay. But when you reciprocal them, what will happen? 1/x will be smaller than 1/y. Okay, reciprocal करने पे y बड़ा हो जाएगा. Okay. Saisha, we cannot take LCM. No, we don't have values here. So now the question says difference between two positive numbers x and y is 4. तो ये 4 मिल गया, ठीक है. And the difference between their reciprocals is 4/21. इनके reciprocal का difference. तो जब मैं reciprocal का difference लूंगा तो मैं पहले 1/y को लिखूंगा because 1/y बड़ा है. Minus 1/x equals 4/21. ठीक है, ये मैंने कौन सा इक्वेशन लिखा है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर रेसिप्रोकल्स। डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर रेसिप्रोकल्स। ओके, सो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द रेसिप्रोकल समझ गया। नाउ आई विल टेक एलसीएम हियर। सो x minus y upon xy equals 4 upon 21। करेक्ट, एलसीएम लेंगे तो ये x इधर जाएगा, ये y यहाँ पे आएगा, and denominators will multiply with each other. Okay, now do you know the value of x minus y? Yes, you know the value, it is given here 4, so यहाँ पे put कर दो। Now cross multiply, 21 into 4 equals 4 into xy. So 21 into 4 upon 4 equals xy. 4 cancel. You got xy as 21. पर देखो मुझे एक्स वाई की वैल्यू मिली है और यहाँ पे द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स 4 एंड एक्स वाई। अब क्या मैं इन दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ? नहीं कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज ये कोई इक्वेशन नहीं है। एक्स वाई इज 21, ये तो प्रोडक्ट है एक्स और वाई का। ठीक है, सो नाउ recollect the formulas of expansion and think that I know the value of x minus y as 4. I know the value of xy as 21. So can I find x plus y? Yes, who will tell me the formula? Yes, anyone? Tell me the formula, which formula will be used. No, in the chat box I can have some answers. Wait, Janam case wrong. No, not, that is not correct. Isha, just write a little properly. Write properly what the formula you think it is. Yes, क्या होगा? Anyone? Tell me which formula will I use?
Hello.
Yes, Isha.
Sir, x plus y, x minus y is equals to xy.
This is not a formula. See, the formula is x plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square equals 4xy. Few students, I think, from the other batch, JB, you have not done expansions, na? So you will study it later. Don't worry. आपको समझ जाएगा. But for other CCS, you have done expansions. So this is the formula. Okay. X plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square equals 4xy. So x plus y की वैल्यू मुझे नहीं पता. X minus y is 4 and xy is 21. ठीक है. So x plus y the whole square minus 16 equals 84. Y the whole square equals 84 plus 16. So x plus y will be 10. When you take the square root, you will get 10. Okay. So this will be your second equation. First equation क्या था? First equation था x minus y equals 4. और ये अब मिला second equation, x plus y equals 10. Okay. Now add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2 and find the values of x and y. So और y क्या मिला? What is the value of y? So equation 1 में अगर मैं पुट करूंगा यहाँ पे, okay, done. Let's do the next question now. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. This is similar to the question number 1 and 2. Let the numbers be x and y. Two numbers are in the ratio 4/5. So x upon y is 4/5. ठीक है, दो numbers का ratio है 4/5. So I've written x upon y equals 4/5. If I cross multiply, I will get the first equation. This I got as the first equation. So 5x minus 4y equals 0. Then they are saying if 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers, if 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers मतलब both the numbers. So दोनों numbers, see हमारे numbers क्या है? My numbers are x and y. Numbers को 5x और 4y मत ले लेना, ठीक है? वो हमारे नंबर नहीं है, नंबर हमने स्टार्टिंग में अज्यूम किया था ना यहाँ पे, let the numbers be x and y. तो वही हमेशा यूज होंगे दोनों इक्वेशंस के लिए, ठीक है? So they are saying that is 30 is subtracted from each of the numbers. मतलब x में से भी 30 subtract किया और y में से भी 30 subtract किया. So then the ratio becomes 1/2. If 30 is subtracted from both the numbers, then the ratio becomes 1/2. Okay. So cross multiply. Are you getting the same equation? And this is my first equation, first and second, both the equations. So now I'll have to equate the coefficients. Okay, coefficients equate करना है. सो मैं किसको सेम करूँ? y, यहाँ पे 4y है और यहाँ पे 1y है। सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाय 1, किसी से भी नहीं, और इसको 4 से कर दो। इस इक्वेशन को आप 4 से कर दोगे तो यू विल गेट 4y। ओके, सो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन विल कम एज इट इज, second equation will get multiplied by 4. If you see the signs, minus 4, signs same hai. If the signs are same, then we subtract. Okay, so I will subtract. And when you subtract, you have to change the signs of the second equation. तो ये हो जाता है minus, ये हो जाएगा plus, and this will become minus. Okay, so you will get 5x minus 8x is minus 3x. 4y cancel. 0 minus 120. So x equals minus 120 upon minus 3. So x equals 40. Okay, और एक बार x 40 मिला है, then put x equals 40 in equation 1. Five x minus 4y equals 0. 5 into 40 minus 4y equals 0. 200 minus 4y equals 0. Minus 4y equals minus 200. Minus minus cancel. Y equals 200 upon 4. That is y equals 50. Very good. Okay, done. Now the next four sums, 8, 9, 10, 11, are based on fractions. Fraction समझते हो ना आप क्या होता है? Fraction means जैसे कि x upon y, तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर होता है and denominator होता है, that is called as a fraction, which has a numerator and the denominator. Okay. So अगर आपको कभी भी फ्रैक्शन बेस्ड पे क्वेश्चंस आए न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर के लिए, तो आप फर्स्ट स्टेप में लिखा लेट द फ्रैक्शन बी x अपॉन y. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही लेना फ्रैक्शन को, ठीक है, जिसमें x होगा आपका न्यूमरेटर एंड y विल बी योर डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, x will be your numerator, y will be your denominator. So कभी भी अगर फ्रैक्शन के बेस क्वेश्चंस आया तो टेक लेट द फ्रैक्शन बी x अपॉन y. Now what is the question? If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator is decreased by 1, मतलब फ्रैक्शन का जो न्यूमरेटर है it is increased by 2 and the denominator is decreased by 1, it becomes 2 upon 3. The fraction becomes 2 upon 3. See, numerator ko I have increased by 2, denominator I have decreased by 1. Fraction becomes 2 upon 3. Cross multiply. Now the second equation. Second equation के लिए I want someone else to tell me the answer for the second equation. क्या हो सकता है second equation? Same तरीके से. Yes, who will tell by reading the second statement? Yes, Aram.
What, sir?
Tell me the second equation. I mean ratios बताओ fraction read करके.
Okay, sir.
जैसे मैंने ये लिखा है ना, जैसे मैंने ये लिखा है वैसा बताओ मुझे.
Yes, sir. So,
क्या
sir,
कर रहे हो?
sir, I am not able to understand. Sir, cross multiply.
मैंने आपको क्या पूछा आपको पता है?
Sir, मैं second equation करना.
हाँ. क्या कर रहे हो आप? आप कुछ ध्यान दे रहे हो कि नहीं दे रहे हो?
Sir, दे रहा हूँ.
मुझे नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा. अभी तक जो भी सॉल्व किया है वो भेजो मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे.
Okay,
लेट मी
sir.
चेक.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yashi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the
X,
second.
x minus 1 upon y plus 2 is equals to 1 upon 3.
Correct. The
Then
numerator is increased by 1.
no,
It is increased by 1, na?
x plus 1.
And denominator is also increased by 2.
Y plus 2 is equals to 1 upon 3.
Ratio becomes 1 upon 3. Okay. Cross multiply. I will get the equation as see properly. I can see students you have made different equations. किसी को 6 आ रहा है, किसी को 5 आ रहा है, किसी को 2 आ रहा है. थोड़ा ध्यान से. This will be the second equation. ठीक है. And now see 3x already same है. तो आप उसे easily solve कर सकते हो. No need to multiply with any number क्योंकि 3x already same है. तो directly equation को subtract कर दो. Okay, so ये हो जाएगा -3x. This will become plus. This will become plus. So minus 2y plus y is minus y. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. So y equals 7. Put y equals 7 in equation 1. This will be the answer. This will be the values of x and y. But फाइनल आंसर आपको कैसे लिखना है? आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या था? व्हाट वाज आस्क्ड? फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन. सो आपको x मिला 2 एंड y मिला 1. देयरफॉर राइट, देयरफॉर द फ्रैक्शन इज 2/7. ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखा तो यू विल गेट द आंसर रॉन्ग. आई मीन यू विल मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. Okay. Done, all of you? I hope all of you have copied. Now for the next 3 questions, as we are short of time, there is a science lecture coming. So next 3 questions, I'm going to give you the equations. Solving आप लोग बाद में करोगे, ठीक है? That will be as homework. The solution part to find the values of x and y, वो थोड़ा सा homework होगा, ठीक है? Equations हम discuss कर लेते हैं. So what is the question? Again, it is about the fraction only. So statement remains the same. Let the fraction be x upon y. Okay. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of the fraction is equal to 7. So numerator plus denominator has 7. Sida sida first equation. Okay. Then they are saying 4 times the numerator means 4x is equal to, is matlab is equal to 8 less than 5 times the denominator. 5 times the denominator से 8 कम है, ठीक है? इट इज क्या बोला है? 8 लेस देन, किससे है 8 लेस? 5 टाइम्स द डिनोमिनेटर से, ठीक है? तो आप 5 टाइम्स द डिनोमिनेटर लिखो, उसमें से 8 माइनस करो. ओके, इफ आई शिफ्ट दिस हियर, 5y on the left hand side, this will be my second equation. First equation, second equation. Okay, solving part you can do it later. इसको सॉल्व करके आप x और y फाइंड करोगे, and then you will write the final answer in the form of x upon y. Okay, in the next class I will ask you these answers. Okay, let's discuss the 10th one. Leave half a page for the solution. आधा पेज छोड़ दो, ठीक है? इसके बाद let's read the 10th question. If the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 2, मतलब numerator को 2 से multiply किया, okay, and its denominator is increased by 1, so denominator को 1 से increase किया, it becomes 1, मतलब fraction becomes 1, ठीक है? See, the numerator is multiplied by 2 and the denominator is increased by 1, the fraction becomes 1. When you multiply, ये y plus 1 1 से multiply होगा, and the equation will be 2x minus y equals 1. This will be your first equation. Okay, this will be your first equation. Second equation मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ. However, if the numerator is increased by 4, if the numerator is increased by 4 and the denominator is multiplied by 2, denominator is multiplied by 2, the fraction becomes 1 upon 2. (2x minus 2y equals 8). You can take the 2 common. You can take 2 common and divide it by 8. फोर आ जाएगा. This will be your second equation. ये आया first equation, ये आया second equation. You can solve it and you will get the answer. Yes, this will be minus 8 because the 8 is going on the right hand side ना. So ये होगा minus 8. So ये बन जाएगा minus 4. So इसको भी solve करना है. Leave half a page here also. Now the 11th one. Same ही 11th one भी. The fraction becomes 1 upon 2. मतलब fraction का answer आएगा 1 upon 2. If 5 is subtracted from the numerator, so numerator से 5 subtract करो, and 3 is subtracted from the denominator. 5 is subtracted from the numerator, 3 is subtracted from the denominator. ठीक है? So इसको cross multiply करके you can find the equation. And second statement is, if the denominator of the fraction is 5 more than the numerator. See, पहले मैं इसको solve कर देता हूँ. This will be the first equation. And second equation directly मिलेगा. What they have said, if the denominator of this fraction is 5 more than its numerator. तो जो denominator है, ठीक है, denominator क्या है? Numerator जो है उससे 5 ज्यादा. The denominator, what is the denominator? It is 5 more than the numerator. मतलब numerator में 5 ऐड करोगे तो जो बड़ा नंबर आएगा, that number is the denominator. Okay, so the denominator of the fraction is 5 more than the numerator. ठीक है, so अब shift करोगे तो y minus x, या y minus x मत लिखो, we write x first ना, so minus x plus y equals 5. This will be your second equation. Okay, so we have found the equations. For each of the sum, we will solve and find the value of xy and then write the answer in the form of fraction. Okay, so that's it for today. We will stop here. In the next class, we will do the remaining sums which are based on 2-digit.